Hi everyone, in previous video we learned how to calculate catch-up clause if we have the soft hurdle rate. In today's video we will learn how to calculate catch-up clause but in case of hard hurdle rate. So let's directly start up with the calculations. We have our beginning of the year AUM as 100 million, profit as 30 million, fee structure as 2:20, hurdle rate as 5%, management fees as 2 million, which is 100 million into 2%. Profit after management is calculated as 30 minus 2, which comes out to be 28 million, and hurdle rate is calculated as 100 million into 5%, which is 5 million. Now, let's calculate investors' profit. Investors' profit will be beginning of the year AUM into 5%, that is our hurdle rate, and here we have our investors' profit, which is 5 million. Now, we need to calculate profit after investors' share. So we will simply subtract 5 million from 28 million, which is nothing but profit after management fees and investors' profit. We are doing this because we know that in case of hard hurdle rate, the manager get performance fees only on the excess profit after hurdle, reducing their earnings. So now we will be calculating manager's catch up not on 28 million like in soft hurdle rate but on 23 million. So we will simply multiply 23 million into 20%, which is our performance fees rate, and we get our manager's catch up as 4.6 million. Now, first we need to calculate the remaining profit, which is 23 million minus 4.6. You can also subtract 5 million plus 4.6 million from 28 million and you will get the same answer. Now we need to split this 18 million into 80 and 20 ratio. So we will simply multiply 18 million into 80% and we will multiply 18 million again but with 20%. So now we have investors and managers profit in 80-20 ratio. Now we will check if our profit is matching or not. We will simply sum investors profit with managers catch up and manager split. And our check is true because profit after management fees is also 28 million. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.